morning, class 10. This is Sanjay Kumar Tiwari, your English language and literature teacher. Welcome you to e-learning platform of St. Michael Higher Secondary. Students, as you know that after a long gap of COVID-19 lockdown, the classes have started again, and we have decided to give you both the facilities offline and online. So in the connection of online classes, today I have decided to start a new lesson, The Hack Driver, a story of a young lawyer who goes to a village to serve summons on Oliver Lutkins, an important character of the lesson. Students, this story is full of humor. This story is very interesting in the nature that a law graduate has been made fools by a person, one who is wanted in a case as a witness. The lawyer, after completing his honors, he becomes a junior assistant clerk in a grand law firm. He has been assigned to prepare legal briefs and to serve those legal summons upon the persons needed. He is not allowed to appear before the court and to have his arguments in favor or against the person for whom he stands there. Students, this story moves with a very pleasant thought of village life. He has also some good ideas about that and he wants to see them, to meet them, and ultimately he is sent to a village, namely New Moulin, which is 40 miles away from the city where he resides and where he is an integral part of that law firm. When he decides to go there, what is his duty and what duty has been assigned to him? He has to serve a summons on a man called Oliver Lutkins, who is highly needed as a witness in a law case. He has been summoned earlier, but he has ignored all the letters issued by that very particular law firm. He has not turned up, and his negligence is now delaying the judgment of the case. So it is for the first time that this person, this new young lawyer, has been told and has been suggested to go to New Moulin, where his eager expectations are also there with him, and he wants to see simple country village life. That is his long dream, and he is very much happy. He wants to know about the streets, rivers of mud and other wooden shops, either painted or sour brown or bare of any paint at all. It means he has decided to see the village life from the very close concept, from the very close look, and he is very much happy whenever he has started his journey to New Moulin. He goes to the station, and whenever he comes out of the station, he finds a delivery man at the station. Delivery man means the person, one who is standing and waiting for the passengers to take them to their desired place. The delivery man is about 40 years old. He has a red face, but he looks very cheerful, looks very pleasant, and his physique, all-round physique, is going to please anyone, one who goes very close to that person. His working clothes were dirty and well worn, and he had a friendly manner. He looks very friendly in nature. Whoever goes very close to that delivery boy, delivery man, he becomes friendly. His behavior is very much pleasing, and he makes it clear that he loves and likes people if they go very close to him. The narrator, one who is playing the role of a lawyer here, he goes there and he tells him that he has to meet a person, namely Oliver Lutkins. He tells about his motive of arrival to that place, that he has to meet a person whose name is Oliver Lutkins. Students, it is not out of way to mention here that the person, one who is delivery man, is himself Oliver Lutkins. Whenever he comes to know that the man, one who has come from the city, wants to meet Oliver Lutkins, he doesn't disclose about his identification. He wants to know the motive of that young man. Why has he come there? He says that I saw this person here about an hour ago. He makes it clear that Oliver Lutkins was seen here an hour ago, and he also makes it clear that Oliver Lutkins is not an easy person. He is a hard fellow to catch. It makes it clear that he cannot be caught, hold at any moment, any time. He is a man who moves from place to place, and it's very difficult to find him at one place standing for a long time. But he is probably trying to start off a poker game in the back of Fritz's shop. He makes it clear that he knows the probable places where Oliver Lutkins may be seen or may be found. He makes it clear that he may be seen at the place where all the people or most of the people, they start playing that poker game. He also makes it clear if he goes with him, it means if the lawyer, the narrator, goes with the delivery boy, he will help you and he will bring you to the probable places where Oliver Lutkins may be located, may be seen or may be found. The narrator is befooled here. He discloses everything that should not be disclosed. He makes it clear that I want to catch the afternoon train back to the city. This is his first mistake that he makes, and he announces publicly that he has to return and he has to catch the afternoon train, and the time, whatever hours are left, within those time he has to catch hold of that man. He also makes it clear that he has an urgent work and he has to serve someone upon him. Students, what happens after that we shall come to know in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.